Hi guys! So I wanted to do a video on how to make money in your business or how to even create a business. But guess what? First off, you have got to stop thinking about the money you're going to make in your business. That is number one. You need to figure out what you are super duper passionate about, what you love, what fuels the fire inside you. Because guess what? Business is hard. It is so hard. It is tiring. It is going to continuously make you work. So you better do something that you love. Because if you do not have the passion, the drive, the motivation to get your product out there, to teach a lesson, to serve people, if you don't have that passion and drive, you are going to die out fast because you are going to get stuck in failure. Something's going to come up, something's going to go wrong, and then you're going to quit because you don't have that passion, that drive to keep going. But people who are super passionate about what they really love and what they want to share with the world, they are just going to get tumbled over a million times, but keep standing up every single time. So that is number one. The struggle is guaranteed. The success is not. Hands down. And the grind is hot. Hot? Hard. It can be hot too. I mean, let's get real. So one thing that you want to do is obviously do a business that you're very passionate about. You want to have a value-based product or service that's going to add value to someone's life. They're not just going to buy it if it's not going to make them feel good or add to their life. And then you just want to be authentic. You want to be truly yourself. You want to be real because there's only one of you. There's a million copycats, but there's only one of you. So when you're thinking about how to add value to your customers you're serving, you have to think about how will this product or service help your customer? Will it make their life better? And then you also want to be proud of the excellent experience and service. Be proud of the work that you're doing. Otherwise, what's the point of putting it out there? You're just going to put a crap service or product out there. That's why passion is so important in whatever business that you do, because you want to be proud of your work and you want to be passionate about it. Figure out the logistics of your business. That goes with it, the website, social media platforms, business cards, bank accounts, business credit cards, distribution centers. You'll have to get all that in order before starting a business. I think it's good to have business cards before you launch something, because then you can start handing them out or once you do actually launch it, you have your business cards in hand, because sometimes it takes a while for them to ship, or at least a week or whatever. And if you're out there on social media platforms talking about it and then people run into you, you have nothing to hand them. You can just be oh, or you could be go to my website and it's already launched. And then again too, we're all gonna fail. We're all gonna fail. Failure is the data stream of knowledge, because it is going to teach you what to not do for the next time. And those are the biggest lessons. Even the most successful entrepreneurs, millionaires right now, they are constantly failing as well. They have reached a new height, a new level that they have never experienced. So they're trying new things also, and they're failing at it every day as well. But we all have the same thing in common. You fail, you dust yourself off, and you get out and try it again. And that is what a true entrepreneur who is passionate about what they do will do. So I encourage you guys all to follow your dreams and find something that you're really passionate about. That's something that gets you so excited. It could be what you would think is the smallest thing might be actually the biggest thing for someone else to have as a service or a product or whatever. But if you no one will believe in you more than yourself. And so if you believe you can do it, girl, you can do anything. And I believe in you. Yes, I believe in you. So you can do it. So get out there, find your passion.